Wow, do you know who thinks a huge recession is coming? That's right, Warren Buffett, the world's richest investor, and also Michael Burry. Yes, you're saying he didn't really bet $1.5 billion on the stock market to crash, but it's still a reasonably sized bet if we look at what options he's actually purchased. But have a look at Warren Buffett. He's now amassed $147 billion in cash. What's he waiting for? Does he think the market is going to go down and he's going to be buying? Well, he seems to think that a recession is coming, right? But you tell me, Pablo, non-farm payroll just came in at 187K, which is higher than estimated, which means 187,000 jobs were added to the US economy in 1 month, the month of August, right? Now, what I'm telling you is this: that number gets revised down every month. So in like 20 days from now, it'll probably be like 150,000. They say we got it wrong. The Bureau of Labor Statistics keeps on saying they got it wrong. For the last 7 months, they keep on revising that number down. And you know what that number actually looks like? It looks like this, right? This is the private sector payroll growth. So you take away all the government jobs, right? You take away like teaching or police or government, transportation department, government jobs. And you only look at the private sector, which is where the economy really is. And this is what happens, right? It went from adding 600, 700,000 jobs per month to now barely above 100,000. It's still adding jobs, as you say. But that's not taking into account people who are fired or laid off. So basically, it is possible that the US economy, right, is already in a recession, or if this trend continues, we could be in a recession by Christmas or January very easily. And I have been warning about this over and over and over again. And this is the unemployment rate, right? We've just ticked up from 3.5%, right, a historical low, to about 3.8%. And you say, oh, that's not a big deal, Pablo. Say it's only a tiny uptick, but it's coming out of this low area and it's about to break out. So in the next 3 or 4 months, we could see US unemployment rate actually really take off, hit around the 4.5% area. There are many indicators that are showing we are actually really heading into a recession sometime soon, like within the next 3 to 6 months. The US 3 month to 10-year treasury spreads. I've explained this a lot before. Have a look at my previous videos. And essentially every time when it inverts, right, we're in a recession. Look how inverted it is right now, right? This has worked for the last 8 recessions. It's been 100% accurate. And now it's about to bounce out of here. When it does bounce out, right, gets back to above zero again, US is in recession. Follow Pablo for more updates.